The Queen's Challenge. In a kingdom called Eldoria, there was a very unkind queen. People called her the Bad Queen because she ruled the kingdom with cruelty. But in the same kingdom, there was Hope, a kind and gentle princess named Serafina. She was nothing like her mother, full of warmth and goodness. Princess Serafina had grown up to be incredibly beautiful and had a heart as pure as her spirit was kind. Many princes from other kingdoms had heard about her kindness and wanted to marry her. But the Bad Queen didn't want just anyone to marry her daughter. She came up with a plan to test these princes. She gave them difficult challenges to prove their worth. The first prince, Alistair, had to bring her a white rose from the dangerous Forest of Shadows. He went into the forest but never returned. The second prince, Cedric, had to get a dragon's scale from Dragon's Peak, but he couldn't even get close to the dragon. One by one, princes failed the queen's challenges. Her reputation as a heartless ruler grew, but Serafina's heart remained kind. Then came a prince named Roderick, from a small kingdom. He was determined to win Serafina's heart, despite the queen's cruel reputation. When the Bad Queen gave him a challenge to bring a golden feather from the mythical phoenix of eternal fire, he accepted without hesitation. He climbed a dangerous mountain called Mount Ignis, where the phoenix lived. It was hot and treacherous, but he reached the phoenix's nest and took a golden feather. Surprisingly, the phoenix didn't harm him. Roderick brought the golden feather back to the queen. When Serafina saw him, she couldn't hide her happiness. The Bad Queen was surprised, but started to change. She realized that maybe there was more to life than being mean. In the end, the Bad Queen became a good queen, and Serafina and Roderick ruled Eldoria together with love and kindness.